A great marriage does not happen because of the love you had in the beginning, but how well you continue building love until the end. The greatest wealth a man can have is an understanding wife. Almost all married people fight, although many are ashamed to admit it. Actually, a marriage in which no quarreling at all takes place may well be one that is dead or dying from emotional undernourishment. If you care, you probably fight. A loving marriage helps transform us from the person we once were to the marvelous person we were always meant to be. A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. If you fight like a married couple, talk like best friends, celebrate like first love, protect each other like siblings, it's meant to be. A happy marriage does not mean you have a perfect spouse or a perfect marriage. It simply means you have chosen to look beyond the imperfections in both. Marriage is like a golden ring in a chain whose beginning is a glance and whose ending is eternity. You don't marry someone you can live with, you marry the person who you cannot live without. Marriage is a gift. It should be opened up and enjoyed. Marriage, love is the reason. Lifelong friendship is the gift. Kindness is the chaos. Till death do us part is the length. Happy marriages begin when we marry the ones we love, and they blossom when we love the ones we marry. Marriage is the miracle that transforms a kiss from a pleasure into a duty. The beauty of marriage is not always seen from the very beginning, but rather as the love grows and develops over time. Soulmates, two halves of the same soul, journey together in life's journey. A happy marriage is the union of two good forgivers. Love may be blind, but marriage is a real eye opener. If you want a better marriage, make sure that you are willing to change. Marriage is not a noun, it is a verb. It is not something you get, it's something you do. It's the way you love your partner every day. A man in love is incomplete until he is married, then he is finished. Marriage was a form of insanity, love hovering permanently on the edge of aggravation. A good marriage is like a casserole on those responsible for it really know what goes in it. I love being married. It's so great to find that one special person you want to annoy for the rest of your life. A happy marriage is a new beginning of life, a new starting point for happiness and usefulness. A great marriage is not something that just happens, it's something that must be created. Marriage is not just spiritual communion, it is also remembering to take out the trash. Marriage is sharing life with your best friend, enjoying the journey along the way, and arriving at every destination together. I want a marriage more beautiful than my wedding. A great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together, it is when an imperfect couple learns to enjoy their differences. A wedding is a party, not a performance. If at the end of the day you are married to the one you love, then everything went perfectly. It is not a lack of love, but a lack of friendship that makes unhappy marriages.